Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the AI Magic Eraser on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So if you have a photo and there are some details in the photo that you'd like to remove, there is a way to do that using the AI Magic Eraser. And to access it, the first thing that we're going to do is select the photo that you want to edit in the Gallery app. So I'm going to use this one, and then we're going to tap Edit, and then we're going to find the Remove option. So it's going to be right here on the bottom. You can scroll to the right to find it. So tap on Remove, and you can use either Smart or Manual. Smart means that you tap on that part of the screen that you want to edit, and it's going to detect the thing automatically and automatically remove it. I like using the Manual feature. So for example, I can zoom in and just kind of draw over the thing that I want to remove, like that. And once I release it, it's going to remove a part of that drawing. So I can just draw like that to fully remove the thing from the screen. It's not usually as perfect with some of the bigger stuff. So for example, if we try to remove this little plant over here, it's not really, might not work as well as you'd expect. But it wasn't as bad, but you can still see some little abnormalities over here. And that's the way it works. So you just kind of draw over the thing that you want to remove, and it's going to remove that thing. And once you're done editing the photo, just press on the check mark on the bottom right to confirm, and then tap on this little save icon on the top right to save the photo. You can either save this new or replace the original. Save this as a duplicate. And there we go. So now we have two photos, the before and the after. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.